Welcome to all. So let's continue with a umask. So how to change the umask value for permanently? So what is a umask? Umask is a value that is using for a that is handling creation of new file or directories, and we need to go inside this vi/etc profile. So let me go inside here. So here, so root can do here only. So let me vim/etc profile. Okay, so let me go line number 62. So let's make a set and new here. So now you can see. So you can see here 022. So this 022 is using for a root, and 022 is using for a root, and it is using for a 60 is using for your normal user. So let's say if you want to do any changing here permanently, it will apply for new user. Let's say I want to do a OS hardening. So I want to give it here 077. Okay, so I am implemented here. Okay, now let me log in with a new user that is a test user. Now let's check it the umask value. Now you can see 0007. Let me create a new directory, any directory here. So I'm creating a directory 5, and let me create a file 5, and now let's see the permission. Now you can see only user having a permissions, only user. Okay, only users. There is no permission for a group, no permission for other. There is no permission. So let me create a one more user. So let's see, is it implemented for all or not? So I'm just creating one more user. So let me exit from here and user read, and let me create a test 2, and let me go su-test2. Now OS hardening is implemented here. Let's check a umask value here. Now you can see. Okay, there's a 0077. Let me create a new file again. Touch F1 dir d1, sorry, mkdir d1 ls-l lrt. So now you can see. So okay, so if you want to roll back, how you can do? So let me roll back it. Okay, so profile, and let me go the line number. Already I'm there. Say okay, 60 line number. Okay, so let me give it. It was 002. So this is a very important question in an interview. Okay, so here we are changing a permissions here. So ls-lrt. So let's say let me put some data inside a cdr, and let me go inside a dir2 here, and let me put some data here. Touch and touch file 2 here. Okay, so now you can see the permission here, ls-lrt. So we are getting read permissions. Okay, so I think I have not changed the umask value. Okay, so let me set the correct umask value. So that is a 022. Okay, so and let me create okay, so that's okay. Now I have this permission is here, fine. So I'm come out from here. So now you can check the permission for a directory 2. It is a 755. So suppose if you want to change the permission, and if you want to use a -r, -r is using for a recursively. It means it will change inside your file or directories. So don't implemented it. Okay, so recursively it will change it. Okay, suppose now let me show you here. So right now you have seen this output, and let me make it here. So currently you are able to see the directory permission is 755. So here we see the permissions here. The permission is 755, and file permission is a here read 444. Okay, so what I want to do here now. So I'm using a ch mode, and hyphen, I don't want to use a hyphen, just I want to remove -x here. I want to remove a -x let me give a hyphen x let me remove the hyphen x. So hyphen x, no, it's let me take a common in both. Read is a common, so I want to remove hyphen r and dir2. Okay, so I removed it here. Now you can check the here. So r is removed here, wx is came here, and let's see inside the data have any any changing? No, there is no changing here. Now let me do it. Ch mode plus x. I want to give executable sorry, I want to give a read permissions, and with I want to give a write permission as well also. Let's see, is it implemented inside also or not? Then I need to use a hyphen r. So hyphen r, what it will do? It will implement it directly as well as inside directory content also. So I am implementing dir read here plus read write directory2, okay, with the hyphen r, okay, recursively. Now you can see the read it here. Now you see here we have given a read and write, so now you can see read and write is there. Okay, so read and write it came here, it will it came for plus and okay, so and let's check file content. So here it will apply for a read and write here, and it's not apply for here others, just it will apply it for a users here. So let me change this a ch mode, and I'm using a octal value. So let's see the octal value difference now. I want to make it triple seven and the directory 2, and let me use a hyphen r. Okay, now what it will do, it will change octal value everywhere. Okay, now you can see here. Now let's check here. Now you can see full permission came here. I had used a hyphen r recursively, and now let me remove a d. Now you can see the content inside, it's also same. So when you are implementing hyphen r, make sure you need to take care about that. Either what it will do, it will change the permission same in inside file2, but file2 this is a wrong permission, okay, because it is a normal file, so it never be executable. So when you are doing with the hyphen r, you need to make sure don't do a mistake here.